Mubaso wetukira rero hasama gacho ye chiabisi ya Jubilee ime yomucho Nairobi habwasaba nyekero kubikyame kibasangerekana elikwebanga boikara n'obosi bobachole bonene boli botwebo mwaka bw'ekirubera 2025 bakuragwa ntoyo kabero mu waziri omukoro na bwigo mokonyi bw'omuraye bw'ikyame kyo Dr. Fred Matiang'i oyo obakera engamu ya mono asabara yabo aso wetuma na kwene kibune hekyame kyongogendera kuranda bya ase ime yensi ya Kenya mulikito Piusi biyogo aroboti rwasenchira yobikirano.
This is why, with utmost humility, we are asking fellow Kenyans that if you needed another reason why this government should be voted out, you have it.
Nasama ga chama nene ye kiama gya Jubilee imeyomocho Nairobi.
Thank you very nice.
Kwa sabarai aho obara banyakero gokorwa asechi county aho imense ya Kenya banyarako bagwikirana asekirenga gyo kweneke buna banyarako bagukwanira eriko tinya ekiame kyo kinga kyo bocholi bogo chikonyarako bokoreka no mwako gocha bakora wano mokonyi bwe ekiame kyo imense ya Kenya yo kabero mu waziri omukoro Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
We have been meeting here with our county chairs of Jubilee. As you know, the party has started a countdown to a very detailed and institutional preparation for the general elections. We are reviewing a number of things, our presence across the country, strengthening the offices that we have.
Niko Fred nyara kobo kwanira obuya bwo gotinye kiame kyo kinga kiense bono agenda tego cha kurigereria obocholi obonene bole motwe.
On behalf of my colleagues from the party headquarters, the deputy party leaders who are here with me, our Secretary General, Honorable Moitarelo Lekenta, our Chairman, Honorable Kemosi, I want to very sincerely thank our chairs, which I have done profusely for the wonderful work they continue to do to strengthen our party, enhance our footprint in the country, increase the recruitment of members, and prepare for the general elections.
Nanyichinga kecho niganyarako bakogosia serikali asekelia goteba buna nigo yanyarako bagigosalie binte binge gati yabo ebibande nabego chi passport echenyerako bachigo tware mechande menge anemono asaba Kenya.
Of Parliament on some of the provisions that are clearly unacceptable, and in the event then that they do not succeed to convince the members of Parliament, or they do not succeed to amend some of those proposals, we have suggested and proposed that the bill should be rejected in total.
Chinga kecho nigo aruesege to asekeria goteba buna mbachi kunyarako bakoeneke buna ekiama gya Jubilee bakorro burayi boro buyago chia sabanto elio koeneke buna aba Kenya bonsi banyorero bosibole bwabo kolengana nelichiko.
And in the country that is respected across the world, that you know, our ID cards, our travel documents, our passport is being liberally given to criminals and all manner of people because of the level of corruption that has been instituted and accepted by this government in that sector. I can talk about
Nonye nabo hoyo kabero mubungo mokoro bwewe bunge ya West Mugirango ime county ya Nyamira omoske Vincent Kemosi nere nigonyarako bagosege tasekelia teba buno bomobwo mbolengete goche gotingia ekiame kyo nabo gokoeneke buno bocholi bwarekanire gokorekana sobwene n'obwasio kwa chinsemo imense ya Kenya.
Na twagambire no moneno ito Fred Matiang'i oyo gocha kubori bo president kurwe chama ya Jubilee nere no arenge nero ko orengo munyakero go muroberi oyo na ende twigwana nirenga gwansera bono igagochi mutwe ekombege gya Jubilee ngochiko tema wekongia kurwase binyora wao gose chinsemo wao erindegere na turanyare konyora chikura chisa ino mwakonde na konyora abarai barachikotenena ebirogwa wao na koira.
Egati yabarai aho banyarako bagwikirana kurwa senseme iyo mbali batenete kiama gya Jubilee kurwa sechi county aho egati yabe county area Mombasa county ya Nyamira county ya Kisii nabo egati ya county Chinde
menda ondieki una mwaigure igo inchenko bolie kerokyo bogimen rep Nyamira county na nde tolega iga Jubilee headquarters una chairman as a presidential candidate yeto yarenge goto address na gototebie bintu togochigokora rinde ritonyare kugwini oborai bole motwe
igonto igochigochora omurai esengecho akurwegesa kukerekenene itogochigochora omurai based ne record yaye yogokora oborai boro buya bokonya abakenya bia
Ripoti ya Getembe Getembe kugiga igasama gacha manyine cha Jubilee imeyomocho Nairobi ngonkoro kwa Pius okemwa biyogo.